What's up YouTubers, Geek Out Industries here, and today I'm going to be doing a Pokemon booster pack opening. Normally I do Yu-Gi-Oh, but I'm going to branch out a little. Words. I'm going to branch out a little and open these. I haven't opened a pack since 2002 when base Pokemon was still legit and Saved by the Bell was still a thing. Anyway, I can't even read that name. I got Celebi, I remember him. Pokemon Crystal, it was fucking awesome. Wish me luck, and yeah. Shut the fuck up, you idiot. Sorry, my girlfriend's been a knob. Okay, so here we go. I'll open the first one with this Sableye. If I didn't say that right, you can go fuck yourself. Get 3 packs. Let's have a look at that. It's quite a nice card. Nice and shiny. Well, I am going to sleeve that, even though it's probably worth nothing. It's a nice card. I need different card sleeves. That's embarrassing. Anyway. Oh, see the code. You can have that one now. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. There's a D-Denny, Super Rod, Ursaring, Sninob, Starly, Fenneky, Fably, which I think that might be a rare Sandshrew. Fucking, that's a hell of a pull! I've seen people go crazy over these. They are cool cards, aren't they? This is exactly what I wanted to open one. Anyway, and a Noctowl, which I think is the rare in this pack. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, and back. And here we go. We got Gully Spirit Link, Haunter, Professor's Letter, Inkay, Pikachu, my favourite. Well, Charizard, kind of. Magmite, Cubone, Snubbull, a reverse foil Behamy, and a rare Mamoswine. One more pack from that one. God, I don't know why you might as well take the codes. I don't even play the online thing. We have Starvia, Professor's Letter, Spewupper, Ramarade, Spiritsies. I can never say this one, but I think it's Chiquidill, Hoot Hoot, Mischievous, Razilt's Reverse Foil, and for a rare we have a Cresselia. I've never heard of that one. And the thing is, I actually play Pokemon. It's on the DS, and oh, that's it for that one. I've got this booster pack now, Celebi. I actually play it. What I was saying is, I actually play it on the DS, but I never know the new Pokemon's names because I'm not ever interested in. But I'm so looking forward to Pokemon Go, and everyone who's got that at the moment, and I can't because I've got an iPhone, go fuck yourself. Yeah? And that is a nice card. Can't go wrong with a bit of Celebi, can you? Okay. Oh, and I just realised you get one of these things. I can't remember why you have these in the game. I think I did used to play when I was younger, but that's about 20 years ago. Anyway, let's pack up. Have the code if you want it. Subat, Heavy Ball, Special Energy, Fennekin, Falaby, Sandshrew, Cubone, Nolt Bat, Reverse Foil Megamus, and Nocturnal Owl. Or Nocturnal Owl. Sandslash, Peripal, Kirilical, Duo, Paras, Story, I was right, Sidiko, Brozo, Reverse Foil Froggy, and a rare Forlogris. Haunter, Purple, Dindian, Illigrium, Cubone, Hippopotas, Queequadilla, Goldine, Reverse Foil Skidoo, and Foil Mela. Whatever that says. I've never seen that one before. But yeah. This is by far the best pull. It's so fucking cool. I'm genuinely impressed by how cool that looks. Anyway, I'll be doing more Pokemon stuff because I really like cards now. I've gotten into it a bit. And with Pokemon Go in everyone's face, I think it's only right, isn't it? You've been watching Geek Out Industries. Don't freak out, geek out.